Hello everyone, on this video we tell about the BATOCA S4 Cordless Car Polisher. Is a powerful and efficient tool for car detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing only 1.3 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended polishing sessions. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, allowing users to work without worrying about cords getting in the way. One of the standout features is its speed versatility. With 4 adjustable speed settings ranging from 2000 to 5500 RPM, it can cater to a variety of polishing tasks, from light buffing to deeper paint corrections. The random orbital pattern, 0.312mm, ensures a smooth finish without leaving swirls or scratches, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's paint. The applicable wheel diameter range of 30mm to 75mm makes this polisher ideal for both large surface areas and more detailed work, such as polishing around tight corners or intricate designs. It also comes with a 2.5 Ah battery, providing sufficient runtime for most projects, though an extra battery could be useful for more extended sessions. Overall, the BATOCA S4 Cordless Car Polisher offers great value for its price. It combines portability, precision, and power, making it a top